Hi, I'm Mary Perry with Fayetteville Cumberland Parks and Recreation. And while your kids are home, we're trying to give you some ideas of things that you can do with things that you may already have at the house. Since Easter is quickly approaching, today we're going to make some washcloth bunnies. These are just a couple that are finished and examples, and we'll go into a little bit more later of some of those details. But you're going to need a washcloth and a rubber band or a hair tie, definitely. And then some of the extras, if you have cotton swabs, or maybe you have some of these cute little fuzzies around from school projects, some extra buttons that you may have laying around, and of course maybe some ribbon. So how we're going to get started is you take your washcloth, we're going to put it at a diagonal. We're going to roll as tight as you can from one side to the middle. And we're just going to flip it around. And we're going to roll the other side to the middle so that they meet. And then you're just going to take that and turn it in half. And as you can see already, it kind of looks like a bunny. We've got the bunny ears right here in the body of the bunny. Now you're just going to take the ears and fold them back over the body. We're going to hold it right here. And this is where you'll take your rubber band or a hair tie, whichever one you have. And we're just going to put it around there as tight as you can get it, with, of course, without popping the rubber band or the hair tie. And then you pull the ears up, and there is your basic bunny right there. You've got the basic body of the bunny. And this is where you would add, either with glue or hot glue, you could add some of the cotton swabs. You might even could paint them. The googly eyes, even a button would work really well with that. And then if you wanted to cover up your rubber band, if you don't have a pretty hair bow or hair tie that you'd like to use, you can just take a ribbon or a hair bow. And I'm going to flip it around real quick and tie it, and then I'll turn it around so you can see. You would just tie that just to cover up that rubber band so you can't see it. And even if you don't add anything else, as you can see, we've got a cute little bunny right there with the Easter. Can make a great decoration, or when Easter comes, you can set your plastic eggs in there just to kind of hold it. And then I'll show you on these, we did do some googly eyes, we did ribbon, some of the little cute little fuzzies, a little tail, and again there's the pocket that you could put a plastic Easter egg, or you could just use them for decoration.